Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I hope guys that you all are enjoying this amazing series of the Excel. So guys, in the previous videos we have talked about that how we can do the conditional formatting in the Excel. Okay, and I hope that that thing is very much clear to you. So now what we will learn today guys, we will learn about how we can insert a image in a Excel. So guys, please watch this video till the end so you never miss any important topic in the between. So guys, for inserting a image, the thing is very simple. You just have to follow a very simple steps and it would be very much clear to you. So guys, for the first step is you have to click on this insert tab, okay? And in the ribbon you have to go on the illustrations. In the illustrations you will see a like mini ribbon in which there are many options: picture, shapes, icon, 3D models. Okay, so now you have to click on the pictures, okay, and you can now choose pictures from anywhere. Suppose I click on this device. Okay, so now I am in my PC. So now I am having an image here. Let me open a see guys, now the image which I have on my PC is visible on my Excel sheet. Okay, and now what this stock images is here. Now let us see. Okay, please wait while we load stock images. Okay, no issue guys. See guys, so there are many samples images in the Excel. Okay, like for an example, if you click on the skies, you will see the image of the sky. Okay, so these guys all are the inbuilt images given by the Excel, by the Microsoft. Okay, for our convenient, so we don't have to search image again and again in the Google. Okay, there are many genres available like mountain. Okay, and obviously of the dark. Okay, see guys, they are having so much good images. If I insert this, wait a second, the picture is being downloaded. See guys, we are seeing this man. Okay, so how danger it is looking, man. Okay, so guys, this is how you can insert a image. Okay, you can also resize it. Okay, you can also rotate it. See guys, in the Excel everything is possible. Okay, there is nothing impossible in the Excel. And now coming to the part, if I click on this third option like online pictures, so now at watch page it will redirect me. So guys, see, I am having like numbers of genres here. Okay, if I see on the like soccer, so the filter is being applied, I will see the image of the all the soccers. And guys, there are unlimited images. Guys, this is the beauty of Excel. Like Microsoft has everything for you. Okay, see, for the airplane we have also the images. Okay guys, see, now let me download a image here. It will take a second to download. Okay guys, we are getting an error. Okay, so actually I have not logged in my Microsoft account, that's why we are getting an error. But guys, you can also you can practice in your own Excel, it will work. Okay, and if there is any issue you can definitely tell me in the chat box. Okay, I will try my best to resolve all your issue guys. Okay, I hope guys that this thing is very much clear how you can insert the image in the Excel. Okay guys, and please subscribe to our channel DevTown, and please like this video and also press the bell icon so you never miss any update from the DevTown. Thank you very much guys.